Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and relatives from all over the place. Today, we welcome you to the 100th birthday of Mama Paz Campos. We are honored on your presence today because you take your time to be here with us. You have so many things to do, but you are here today to be with us, to celebrate with us sa birthday ni Mama Paz. She knows that it is her birthday today. Not everyone, not everybody has the opportunity to reach 100 years old. And so with that, we thank the Lord. We give back to Him all the praises and glory for all the years that our mother has achieved. Thanks be to God. Gayun din naman, Mama has 6 children alive today. They are all here. We have Edgardo, my husband Edgar. Florendo Polen is here. Lirio Bebot is here. Ignacito Nasing is here. Where are you, Nasing? Where's Polen? Lorna, of course, is here. Baudilio Jr. is here. Where are you, Toto? The husbands and wives of the children are here from all over the place. All the grandchildren and their husbands and wives are here today too. All the great-grandchildren from everywhere, they are all here. This is a life achievement. Mama Paz is a blessing. Mama Paz is a gift to us. Mama Paz is the best teacher of all time. Not only as an educator, but she is a teacher of life. She taught us how to live and to live properly. And that is why we are here today. Mama Paz is an inspiration. Mama Paz is a hero. We love her so much. She is the best mother-in-law. She is.
I love you.
We thank you for all of you being here today. Nagpapasalamat kaming lahat, kaming family ni Paz Campos for you being here today. Salamat po. And for those people who participated, who prepared everything here, salamat din sa inyong lahat. Our heart is pouring with love, and from the bottom of our own heart, we thank you, everybody. Salamat na salamat po. Today, we will start the grand celebration of Mama Paz 100th birthday. Mama, we love you. Thank you very much, everybody.
Happy birthday to you.
Everybody sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Everybody.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Isa pa yung mas malakas at mas mabilis. Everybody, let's all sing. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And of course, our prayers. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. And at this point, let's now witness our birthday celebrator blow her birthday candle. Lola Paz, in 3, 2, 1, and blow. There you go. Wow. Happy.
Republic Act 10868 called the Centenarians Act has a centenarian gift for persons 100 years who reach 100 years. But then the regional office, it's a policy of the regional office to give the award 10 days after her or his birthday. But actually, the documents are in place. It's submitted to the regional office early January, and on January 29, the validating team of the DSWD will be coming over to physically visit Paz. So it will be granted to her 100,000. Thank you.
To Ma'am Paz, to the siblings, the sons and daughters, in-laws, guests, visitors, good afternoon to all of us. It is my great honor and once in a lifetime experience to speak in the rarest occasion of celebrating the anniversary of the birth of one of the youngest, strongest pillar. It is also humbling to speak before a woman who has become an institution, having been able to accomplish a milestone rarely achieved by anyone in history of Lianga. 100 years is as rare as diamond, just as rare as our celebrant. No one else today can be as clear, as colorful, and as strong as diamond as Ma'am Paz is. Kamo kagaw na magalaong na si Ma'am Paz, isa da katuig, adoy di da kita si Ann kaabot. Ang lifespan doon ng utaw runs between 65 to 70 years old. So, makaabot pa kaha kita sini kung ay diri da kay anay gani ako aron day tagbati. Na iso-iso pa. So, isa galaong, yakalaong ako na isa dakaw ka institution, Ma'am Paz, tungod iyan sa kanmo mga yahimo, not only for your own family, but for effecting a lot of changes to the many lives of the people of Lianga. Kay si Ma'am Paz is one of my teacher in high school. Yakadumdum gayud ako kang Ma'am Paz how madaman gayud diyan. Diri gayud diyan madaman gayud dali-dali. Pero how madaman gayud diyan. Maglaong na din yan sa kanami klase basta madaman. Laong palagi namin small but terrible. Kay basta madaman badihi sa kaning tingog sini. Magkalanog-lanog ang tingog, di ba Ma'am Paz? Maglaong na din yan na basta madaman. I am not a fool to be fooled by a fool. Adoy, nawada. Hubado na niyan sa binisaya. Diri ako buang na pagabuang-buangon sa mga buang. Luko, adoy na yung buang na gayud kita. Iyan gayod, iyan ang madumduman ko kang Paz pirmi basta madaman. So,
Thank you, Ma'am Paz. So, and the people of Lianga, sa kanmo mga tuig sa pagserbisyo, isip ka nami, maestra. Mahamuki na doon ang yangahimong abogado, nurse, maestra, pare, hasta madre, great leaders, o mga doctors. In fact, one of them is here to pay tribute to you sa kanmo kamadayaw na maestra. Being among the foundation of education in Lianga, you have helped shape Lianga in the way it is today. So the people of Lianga is greatly indebted to you. When I say Lianga, that means one Lianga. I am hoping that you stay strong and live to see until Lianga turns to 101 years old and more, so that every year we can thank you for your legacy. Today, we celebrate your life and in recognition and the brightness that you have brought to the lives of others. Ari joke taraw kono na pag 100 years na kaw, at that age, you've seen it all. You've heard it all. You've done it all. But you just can't remember it all. But I know you're still as sharp as you were. Kaya kanta ko gani, happy birthday to me. So tigam ka dyan ang birthday naan. So Ma'am Paz, happy birthday. God bless you, good health, and in behalf of the people of Lianga, thank you very much for being such a great example to many. Thank you and good noon to all.
Sa kadato centenarian Yapas uban sa mga pinalangga na mga anak, mga in-laws, mga apo sa atong halangdon nga inahan sa lungsod sa Lianga uban sa mga municipal officials, mga barangay officials, mga guests, friends and relatives kanatong tanan, maayong hapon o Viva Pitsenyor. Unang-una, Yapas, uban sa kanako mga igsoon, kumplito kami doon ya. Why absent? Among ipaabot ang among mainiton nga pagbati karong adlaw sa imong natawhan. Tungod kay gisaulog nimo kaning usa sa mga milestone sa imong kinabuhi. Tungod kay atong gisaulog ay 100 years sa imong gikan sa pagkatao. Dako kaayo ang among pagpasalamat ug dako kaayo ang among kalipay nga nahimo kaming kabahin niining espesyal ug importante na okasyon sa imong kinabuhi. Tungod niini madasigon gayod kami mo-attender niining most celebrated birthday ni Yapas. Dili lamang tungod kay si Yapas o si nanay magtagsa, magkaedad. Ika-100 years isab ni nanay pero ato riyan sa lain na kalibutan. Kundili si Yapas isa-isab na tinahod na elder sa San Agustin kay taga San Agustin sa ini si Rasio Baudel. It so happen lang na tungod siguro sa nature sa trabaho ni Ran, ani sira mag-establish sa Lianga. Di ba Maya, Pas? Correct. Malistoy lagi tumubag. Ang mga ginikanan niya, Pas, mga igtagsa, mga paryente, tanan, at tugayid mamuyo sa San Agustin. Siya, Pas, uban sa kanaan pagtagsahan, ani ang grupo namin mga fason. Sila ang original nagamugna sa La Familia Pason. Kadumdum ka. La Familia Pason. Diin ang mga membro sini, mga pamilya ng Pason ang mga magtagsahan o kami isab doon na mga sumusunod iapilda sa La Familia Pason. Sinasing siguro si Florindo kay mo permiani ya ka-attender. So, ini na kapunungan ni Ran, in-honor ini sa kanila apo na si Gregorio Pason. Kadumdum kaya? Aptikil lagi. Gregorio Pason. Matod nira, itong apo niya Pas na si Gregorio Pason, kaabot isab ito ng more than 100 years. So sa pagtuon ako, isa inin si Pas na miliwat na yaabot yan ng more than 100 years. More than sa silom. Ha? More than sa silom. So manghinaot kami, Pas, kaming ini doon na mga magkaparyentihan na makaliwat kami kan mo isab. Maabot isab kay kadugo si isab kami ng Pason. Ano? Usugot ka mo, Gar? Masugot gad kita. So, manghinaot kami nga tagaang kaw gayod ng malipayon, himsog na panglawas hangtod sa sunod na mga panahon. So, rest assured, with our prayers and wishes, happy birthday. Daghang salamat.
Laong ng isa na manunulat. There are two most important days in your life. The day when you were born and the day when you discover why. Ang pirmirong adlaw nga importante ang pagkautaw. Ang ikaduha na adlaw na importante sa kinabuhi sa tao, iyang pagkasayod mo na nga nayautaw kita. Mangayo ako ng katahuran sa kanato birthday celebrator, siya Pas, inauna ko, pagtagsa ni nanay, lomo niya inik, lomo niya tanti, lomo niyo babing, upat dagaw ka mo iya. Yeah. Iyo babing adto sa Cebu. Ha? A birthday sab doon. Ina ni siya Pas, ina ni Lomon Edgar, ina ni Lomon Pulin, ina ni Lomon Bibot, ina ni Parituto, ina ni Lorna, ina ni Lumunasing, ina ni Anhing Bibi. Sino pang wako? Bibi? Amars ko na ito di ba mo? O gitong magurang mo. Ito mo iwa ko ka. Hasta ka, wala makaabot lumon. Now, laong ni Mercy ka na ako. Ngi, yagtawag kay si Tuto, kay pasultihon kao. Long ko, nangasa na ako ra. Na imbis kay ako ang pinakakimod sa kanami maglumunan, ako ra hinoon isabang isa na pasultihon, pagtanaw ko kay na-appeal sa kadi si Nick. Di, lang ko, sakto ra garo ito. Doon kay ikaduha pa sa ako sa kanami maglumon, paningkamutan ko na hayupo ira ang kanako isulti. Mga 5 ka minuto o 2 ka oras. Kung ang mga iso, mga gamit titingay, amoy kutanhon, nangasa na yautaw kaw. Sigurado na ang tubag is para ako makaduwa-duwa. Para ako makabuak-buak ng mga baso. Kung ang mga batan-o na mo'y pangutanhon, nangasa na yautaw kaw, sigurado na ang tubag is para ako makapanguyab, para ako maka-flirt, para ako magwapo o gwapa. Kung ang hamtong ang pangutanhon, nga sanaya utaw kaw, sigurado ang tubag para ako makapangita ng panginabuhi, kanako ibuhi ng kanako mga anak, o aroy magasto ko panahon sa mag-retire ako. Kung medyo maluyar nga ni ang lawas tungod sa pangidaron, kung kutanhon posible, kung ang pangutanan na nga sanaya o tawkaw, posible na ang tubag is tungod kay para ako mamatay. Sa panahon na mahibawan dagayod, if a person knows or can understand why he was born, makalaong ngayon diyan na sangahay da sa kadi ang bahandi. Di sa kadi importante ang bahandi. Ang importante kadi is na ang musunod sa kanami henerasyon that he will be empowered to help the world. Nga aron nga ang sumusunod sa kanato henerasyon makahatag og kaanindot sa atong kalibutan. Og nga ang sumusunod kanato mahimo na maayo nga citizenry sa kanato nasod. Kung di kita makatudlo ng kanato mga iso, maurag nakalimot kita sa rason nganong ang tao na tao man. Adonai giingon dili lamang kong idiomatic expression matud pa it's also a biblical nga kung ano yung itatanim ayon yung aanihin. What you sow, he will reap. Kung uno ang kan mo itanom, amo isabihan ang kan mo puon. Si iya pas gi-research nako kay medyo pag-retire naan iso pa sa gitalor. Siya pas maestra sa Lianga High School na doon is a branch of the University Surigao del Sur State University. Di iyan gusto na ang estudyante naan diri makasabot. Di iyan gusto na ang estudyante naan diri manalinga. Delikado ka kung di ka makasabot. Hagbungon ka niya pas, pero tagan ka niya pas ng konsiderasyon kung maghangyo ka. Amo iyan ang ikatigamang ko kang iya pas. Sa luyo nga pagkasulti, si iya pas yakasabot kadayaw nganong ang tao nabuhi man og unsay rason sa iyang pagpakabuhi. Successful siya pas tungod kay ang iyang gitanom namunga man. Buhi ako nga testigos tungod kay ang mga pagtagurhan ako na mga anak niya pas gikan sa kanila ni Lumon Edgar, Lumon Pulin, kanila ni Lumon Toto, Lumon Bibot, Lumon Nasing, Lumon Lorna o gitong wada. Kaluoy sa Dios dalaygon og mga madayaw, mga buutan gayod na mga anak ni iya pas. Atong dapiton sa masipang pakpak ang mga maglumunan. Iya si pagtagsa mo, Pia, kanami nanay, pareho ka mo ng tuig, 1920, laong pa ni Mayor Niknik, kaedad ka mo, yapatayaan si itong 1997 at the age of 77. Wara kami magmahay ng sayo naan pagpanaw, tungod kay aron say kanami iyaan si Iya Pas na ming-abot ng 100 katuig. Dara nami ang kanami mga iso, tungod kay gusto nami pasaksihon na ini kanami iyaan kamayo Lola Pas na ang kanaan mission sa kinabuhi nga ang sunod nga henerasyon dako og ika-contribute ngadto sa atong nasud Pilipinas ug sa tibuok kalibutan. Gikan kanami ipabot namo ang kanami kinasing-kasing na pagmahal kanmo Iya Pas sa kanmo ika 336,500 days sa kanmo ikan napulo kadekada sa kanmo kinabuhi. Happy birthday, Iya Pas.
Iya Pas and the proud family from the sons, daughter Lorna, ang mga apo, the relatives and friends of Iya Pas, Mayor Novel, Mayor Niknik, the former governor who is now a board member, Sir Mangi, the Alamedas. I saw Mayor Pama kanina, na pa ba? Wala na. And to all of us, kanatong tanan, maayong hapon. This is really a very special venue, a very special affair where makita nako tanan sa mga bayho nato nga aron gayud ang aura ng happiness. No, our Lady of the Hour, Lady of the Year, ba ini Lady of the Century, Lady of January has a very notable personality, especially among us taga-academe, the mga pati ang mga retirees, because as we all know, Iya Pas is the daughter of the late Mayor Prudencio S. Ronquillo, who is the founder of the Lianga Junior High School, whose name has evolved, hamok da angaran. From Lianga Junior High School, nahimo siyang Lianga High School, yahimong Lianga National School of Fisheries, yahimong Surigao del Sur Institute of Fisheries and Aquaculture, then Surigao del Sur Polytechnic College, nagiging Surigao del Sur Polytechnic State College, and now our pride that right here at our doorstep, we have a university from a small Nipahat, the once Lianga Junior High School, right here catering or providing access to college education, not only from this province, but across regions. We have the Surigao del Sur State University Lianga campus, and we are proud of that. And we still adore the name Prudencio S. Ronquillo through the ining mga yangabilin ni the late Mayor Porod Ronquillo. So indeed, it's the place where the university stands now is donated by the Pearsons. We have one ear here of the Pearsons, and we thank you. Can extend our thanks, no, the gratitude for that place or the place where it's still now. It was still in ASIFA, as Surigao del Sur Institute of Fisheries and Aquaculture. Ngayag kauban kami ni Ma'am Pas. Pero I fondly call him Iya Pas because we are a strong or a close family. Plus the late Erlyn is kung baga doon pa BFF ng kanak sister nga si Tessie. So, mamampas, maiyapas ang kanagtawag kanaan. Short lang ang kanami panagihod kay I officially entered the institution 1982. 1981, I was already there but on contract of service. Tapos, in 1983, early of 1983, Iapas retired after serving 37 years in government service. She entered October 21, 1946. Sino rin nga tao siyan mga bayo murag mga batanon siya ni tanan 1946 when she first entered the government service. And yakatatak sa kanan mga estudyante itong kang Mayor Novel gay nag-istorya that Iapas really is a fun-loving, as we can see her now, nga bibo gayud ang aura niya Iapas even at her age now, no? Fun-loving, puno pa yun na siya og mga joke-joke, and yes, disciplinarian. Disciplinarian gayud. Di na nato tawgon itong laong na disciplinarian because laong pag-aina nga yakita gayud nato uno ang produkto, uno ang gusto niya pa sa kanan mga estudyante. So, one time when isa-isa nga madumduman ko kang Iapas yang when we attended a seminar, I think that was in Tandag, nga di ba pag ma-attend kitang seminar mag-ila-ila. So tatak ininaan nga maglaong gani I am ang kanaan, I am Paz Campos. Amazing gid ang memory ng 100 years old. Gaya na pag manyanita nami, yag manyanita kami, ma-amaze ka gayod how she recalled mga moments and even the names. Ako personally, amaze. Ako si Cynthia Pantaleon ako, kay ito lagi, daraga pa sa kami pagkagihod. Long dayon. Sahot, imagines, laong pa ng mga sa una. So, amazing is her kung ano, yung ang upod, yagka Alzheimer's da. Pero thanks God, we have this lady who has still a sharp memory and a sharp mind. When ngani sa Pilipinas, no, murasay ka nami kakuanan, when we serve in government service and when we retire, we're always tendered or we're always honored with a program. We call that Salamat Mabuhay program. And always, as the head of the institution, when I give message, I always start my message nga mulang gid ako sa mga honorary or sa mga retiree nga, indeed, you are an inspiration. I agree kanina kang Ma'am Novel nga when she mentioned that retirees are in fact or are indeed an inspiration. So, how they were, what their contributions were, and even how they transform a student, no? Their contributions to the workplace are worth noting. And even during their retirement journey, samtang ga-retire pa sila, kami, ang mga katawhan nga still on active service, we always look up to them. No? Kaya, wa kami magkuhan sa kanila, wa kami ma-inspire kung uno sila, not only kung uno siran sa una when they are still in government service, but we still look up to them now, how they face retirement phase. That life has to go on, that life has its ups and downs, but having lived so much and having accomplished many things, that would mean, especially for Ma'am Paz, that means she did not let the downs drown her, but focus instead on her desires and on her dreams. So like today's superheroes, Iya Paz has gone past all the difficulties in the life and has attained a century worth of memories and experiences. What more, Iya Paz has raised, no, kanina gipang mention, has raised a responsible children who are themselves parents now and has very lovable and very caring nga mga kaapuan. And more importantly, bisan kung hain nga kanto nga ni, especially itong mga karaanda, ang kanilang gadi kasulti is, Yapas has contributed much in them as a person or as an individual through her discipline. No? So, living up to 100 years is more than a celebration. We celebrate life today and we celebrate health. Kaya na, tanawan ko sa FB post, and I think this is timely, that it says, health does not always come from medicine. Ano ra ba si Dr. Laino? And most of the time, it comes from peace of mind, peace of heart, peace of soul, and it comes from laughter and love. So I hope this becomes this would be ma-instill sa kanato nga, di lang baya gayon medisina, no? So, and someone, I can relate these lines from the Facebook. Personally, somebody told me that the key to long life is peace of mind and happy thoughts. This literally means that Iya Paz is living up to her name. Paz means peace. Diba? Oh, so what an inspiration talaga si Iya Paz. No, Paz means peace. Peace brings good health. Kailangan pa peace kuno ang makatamba o isa sa mga tambaw and isa sa mga factor na maghatag ng long life. As Iya Paz names bears peace, naturally, it brings her to 100 years. O kita, as an inspiration, maybe we can name our apos or ang mga sino pa yung mga nakay nga nilang Paz. So, itong mga anak ng doon na tuig, ganahay garo kung style doon kay tagtulo sa kangaran, pwede nato dugangan ng Paz because we already know what Paz means. So, it's peace. O, Iya Paz, in the name of the Surigao del Sur State University Lianga Campus and the strong women and men ng mga retirees. May paindugon ko no nato palihog ang mga senior citizen da. Palihog, retirees. Oh, marami ato pa sa likod. So, we are here to greet you. A very happy birthday. There is Ma'am Tita, Ma'am Sor, Ma'am Ellen, Ma'am Aida. Hamukay gayud ang kanmo pa mga kadungan sa una. As we say and wish you happy birthday. O doon, as I end my message, I would like to share this message with an Irish birthday greetings or wishes. Ya Paz, may God grant you always a sunbeam to warm you, a moonbeam to charm you, a sheltering angel so nothing can harm you, laughter to cheer you, and faithful friends near you, and whenever you pray, heaven to hear you. To the family, to the sons and daughters, to the apostles, congratulations for having such an amazing, a wonderful, a loving, a caring mother. And congratulations also for having this one-in-a-kind celebration. So to all of us, mabuhay o maghawid kita sa talinga ni Apas. Gayon na lang nan, ayaw lang mayobiriti nga hawid lang kuno. Again, ya Apas, happy birthday.
Here we go. Let's give it up for Director Cynthia Sahot.
Oo.
Think of me fondly when we've said goodbye. Remember me once in a while, please promise me you'll try. When you'll find that once again you long to take your heart back and be free. If you ever find a moment, spare a thought for We never said our love was evergreen or as unchanging as the sea. But if you can still remember, stop and think of me. Think of all the things we've shared and seen. Don't think about the way things might have been. Think of me waking silent and resigned. Imagine me trying too hard to put you from my mind. Look back on all those times. Think of the things we'll never do. There will never be a day when I won't think Long ago, it seems so long ago, how young and innocent we were. She may not remember me, but I remember. Flowers fade, the fruits of summer fade. They have their seasons, so do we. But please promise me that sometimes you will. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Respect to our smart gentleman MC, our honoree, Maripaz, Ronquillo Campos, her loving children. I think they were already named earlier. Our distinguished guests, prominent visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a very pleasant good afternoon. I'm not much of a public speaker, and I've been retired for almost 20 years, so I believe I have to write down my thoughts. I am indeed happy and privileged to be given the chance of speaking on a very rare and memorable occasion, the 100th birth anniversary of a dear friend and associate in the teaching profession, I must confess that with the passage of time, I hope I still could recall some of our memorable experiences. The reason I decided to put my thoughts into writing, because they say, rest is rust. Well, people say that life is what we make it. Probably our celebrant could share with us later how she made it to have reached this stage of her life, 100 years. Since biblically speaking, in the book of Psalms, chapter 90, verse 10, it says, man's span of life is supposed to be 70 and 10, which really is equivalent to 70 years. And if by reason of good health, you will probably have some of those bonus years in your life. Well, we could just imagine how many bonus years have been granted our celebrant today. I could not tell how long my bonus years will be when I have lots of body pains already in my early 80s now. Dr. Boylay, there could very well attest to this. So many pains. But I thank God, I already am enjoying my bonus years to date. My late partner in life, who joined his maker last March 2019, had 15 years of his bonus years. But why dwell so much on bonus years when we're still alive and kicking, as people say? Only the Lord up there holds our time and our life. To recall years of companionship during our early years of high school teaching in the Lianga High School and later in the Lianga National School of Fisheries certainly needs a lot of thinking down memory lane. For one, Maripas and Pari Baudil are still very close to us, not only because they are still Daddy's close relatives, family relatives of the Morenos and the Lainos, but likewise, my mother, the late Gliceria Pantejo, owes it to Anhing Manupurud, then Mayor Prudencio Ronquillo, father of Maripas, her assignment in this part of Surigao del Sur, having transferred from Surigao del Norte. Maripas, as a teacher, students call her Ma'am Gamay because of her stature. Holds the distinction of being strict and impose good discipline among her students, that you could hear them say, just a sharp look when you're late is enough to tell the message. Earlier speaker had already mentioned about her being strict, and that's very good. Of course, that was the time when children were more obedient and tended to be just listeners with no problems yet of gadgets, cell phone, and the like, and also drugs. No problem as yet. As a young mother, Maripas, by the way, was more my senior. I got lots of tips and lessons that we would be sharing and having problems, especially with growing up kids, for which she would just tell me, don't worry, these problems will just pass away if we but feed our kids well at home. That's how patient and motherly Maripas is. Time was when I confided to her that I hate cleaning and cooking fish, especially the mulmul, or they call that the parrot fish, or the isdang bato. Then one afternoon, That was when we were having our maternity leaves together. She, heavy with Lorna, and I with my Timothy. That she showed me how to make kinilaw of the fish and then pinaksiw of the same. To my surprise, these fish recipes tasted good, delicious, especially paired with bahaw, the natural snack of us teachers. Meanwhile, our menfolk, our husbands, enjoyed too these recipes with adobado, the favorite pastime drink at the time. I also remember when Maripas and I had a uniform swagger, the type with very loose top over a pencil cut skirt. The duster was not yet the fad during that time among pregnant women. Then too, we would be exchanging notes on the usual problem of teachers. I don't know if you guess what. Applying for loans to make ends meet, which ended up in what we call loan sakit. Because our take-home pay then was quite very, very slim. After years and years in the Lianga National School of Fisheries, Pari Baudel got promoted as principal of a sister school, the Dinagat School of Fisheries. And as they say, where the head goes, the tail follows. So we parted ways by then. Their retirement ended in this school, and later we heard that Pari Baudil enjoyed his life as a war veteran and had to go to the United States, where they stayed for some years. We were just surprised one day when we were visited in our humble place in Baogo, ourselves also retired, that Pari Baudil and Maripas came up with a big tuna broiled, sinugba. We then had a joyful reunion and renewed our warm friendship with lots and lots of stories to share. After which, Pari Baudil asked Daddy if he enjoyed too his military career, since he knew that Daddy also finished his officers training corps in Fort McKinley, Manila. But sad to say, Daddy has to state that Nanay Diding, badly opposed the idea, saying he could only pursue the military career when she died. But she died at age 102 years. And Daddy, who turned politician, was already in his 60s. Well, our close friendship with Pari Baudil and Maripas was really quite memorable and binding to this day. And I'd like to mention here that our close ties and friendship have been transmitted to our children, more so that most of them share the same love for music, which probably Pari Baudil influenced a lot. As for Sami and Lerio, who share the same passion for agricultural development and environmental concerns, maintain their goals, and if to do so, they meet a lot of oppositions. But they insist that working for the common good is good for the communities of Lianga and Barabo and the rest of Lianga Bay. In closing, I would like to call to mind these immortal lines that give the message of the significance of friendship in our lives, and I quote, "Faithful friends are life's best treasure. Wealth and fame may pass away, bring no joy or lasting pleasure. Faithful friends abide always. So the world will gladly go if one faithful friend I know." Godspeed, happy birthday, Maripas, and more years to come. To God be the glory. Thank you and happy.
Here we go.
I am down, and oh, my soul so weak. When troubles come, my heart burdened deep, and I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. Raise me up to more than I can be. When it gets hard, no, it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. Keep these memories to ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal, loving can mend your soul, but it's the only thing that I know. It will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you, and it's the only thing you take of us when we die. We keep this love in a photograph. We keep these memories to ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words, please. Inside these pages, you just hold me. You won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. Wait for me to come under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper on the phone, wait for me to come home.
My respect to our Mr. MC, Tinautig Paila. My respect to our board member, ex-Governor Mangi. I fondly call him Mangi. Nick, the mayor of San Agustin, and where's Nobel? Our very own Mayor Nobel, and active Mayor of Lianga. Okay. Tano, active gid si Nobel, tano, iwara kayo na your meeting. She's really very active. Ang mga banay, mga anak ni Iyapas, ang mga kaupuhan, ang mga lumo ni Iyapas, hindi sa taga San Agustin, mga teachers sa eskwelahan, kabats ni Iyapas, o ang mga yag-follow sa footsteps ni Iyapas. Ang mga yalipay isa dako kay ikita ko ang kalumunan ko nga ni Salianga, labi na kay kita ko ang kalumunan ko gikan sa San Agustin. Ang mga Salinas o campus family. Yalipay gid ako. Sa di pa na ako isulti ka na ako, mga siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes lang, i-short ko lang ha. Ini bang, appreciate ako ito yung kanta primero, itong sino ito yung ngaran? Kan mo yan na po? Liz, oh my Lord, that lady, that girl. O kining isa, ining usog, doon, ining duha. Broadway quality. Yatas gid ako. I-develop gid yan. Di ko matinga siya kasi ang kaliwat ni Pastor ni Baudil, puros mga musician. Pirmi ako, imbitahan ni Baudil sa una sa Rondalya. Di sa ko matiga mag-banjo. Kutob na ko ng ukulele. So wag gid ako. Pero I know the family is very engrossed into music. Talent kayo diyan. So ipadayon. Broadway quality kayo. I was touched good by that song. But anyway, yung gid ako, sira ko ang klinik ko. Pero doon, paano ako kay tomorrow, larga ko na Cebu kay surgery ko tomorrow sa Cebu. Yung gid ako Iyapas, kay giimbitar ako ni Florindo Daan, pasidanan ako na mag-birthday si Iya. Si Iya, sa edad pa yan ng 95 years old pa si Iya. Actually, I joined the party. Aron pa ang tape namin sayaw kami niya. So, I will treasure that, yeah. Ibisitahan ko niya the day before the party, itong 95th birthday naan. Panikos taas mayo, natulog sa taas. Ikita ko yan sa, istorya kami sa by the window side. Pero ang sulti ko kanaan, yeah. Butang nga garo nato ini ng rubber ining kan mo sa ini sahog batong bantaw mo kay base may slide ka pero kang mama ni slide bare ang hip amoy lang ko kanan lang pero boy maka-balance pa sa ako believe ako kay yan. Now if you look at it in the perspective of an MD sa doktor bale ang lifespan sa Pilipino ining usog na Pilipino is 60 years. Ang bubay, 70 years. Kung kami mga mga usog, beyond 60, danong, kung yan, lang pa ganansya da yan. Ako, I'm 67 now. So, kung ako, ganansya da ako ng 7 years. Ang mga bubay, nga di ka mo sa 70. Yan mo yan. Pero, siya pas na ganda mo ka, gawas kang pupudiding, siya pas na kitaan ko nga ni Salianga na abot ng 100. Yung sikreto sinigayod, grabe gayon. Amoy agar ka mo, mga anak, murag abot ka mo ng 110 ko na yan 105. Kay, no, in medicine, it runs in the genes actually. Ang natural history of the body is genetically predetermined. Masurtin lang iyan kung mag-abuso kita, amoy masurtin. Pero kamo, ang lifespan mayo, expected gayon, mas taas sa kanami lifespan. Yung pamilya. Genes iyan. Tapos gayon na, ito kistorya ko, one of your brothers, nung kung sikreto niya, ang kanong ka din niya, isda o gulay lang pirmi. Isda, amoyan yan, no? Isda o gulay lang. Talag sila magkaan ng karne. Pero matay lami sa kining karne, kaya no? Bisag unuhon sa pagunahuna. Ako, waday baboy ko from 26 years already, no pork. Kay 11th commandment ko yan, thou shalt not pork. So, wala gid ko baboy. Pero, taas ang gyapon kolesterol ko, 200 gyapon. Tambal ko, tumara ko, pero magsakit ang unod ko. Nang ko ang Ginoo nila yung magpunto sa kanak kinabuhi. Kaya di na ko makaya pag inumang tambal. Kaya ang side effects is statins ka na grabe. So anyway, ang tanaw ko gayod sa kinabuhi sa utaw, genetically predetermined kao, diet, exercise, and medicine. Arang sa na herbal pang tumarmayo, pero bantay mo yung herbal, kay usay aroy sa gulsi and steroids. Kung tanaw gid mayo ang aroy, ayo ko yung mga sulti na, kuanda kami, this guy says nga, madayong lawas ko, those are anecdotal reports in scientific research, kundi mga kapin, mga 500 or 1,000 ka maglaong na utaw na madayaw, adisir pa mo yan tanggapon, dawaton. So, be careful kung sa herbal, di siya ako maglaong na di madayong herbal, pero tanawon mo yung content. Amo? Kay common ra ba yan, hasta mahal ra ba kadayaw? Kay ang herbal, dali ra i-approve sa FDA kay when they applied for it, for licensing, it's supplement. But this herbal becomes a medicine pag-apply, maglisod, pagdaog, paglusot, lisod. But food supplements, sabi yan dali. So pagbantay lang kita. Siya is an example of a person nga genetically grabe yun ang kanang genes, diet naan, exercise, kay kusog mo sayaw. Tapos lang nang sa high school pa kami, siya small but terrible. Doon isiskutan ko ang kanami experience as a student. Ining ako in I think maestra ko siya 1966. 66-67. Ang subject na mo social studies ito. Hasta Pilipino siya, no? Subject mo ba? Murag duha ito ka subject si handle naan sa 2 years. But anyway, ang siya strict tagad din si iya. Iyang lang pa, you follow kung amo rin ng mama ko, grabe ka kung yun, lang pa, black is black, white is white, amo ba? Ang some people will call it martinet na utaw kay stricto gayod. Pero aroy purpose na napaka-stricto niya. And iya na pagka-stricto niya, musamot magpakita sa karami klase. Kay arang na mataghom na classmate ko, mga buutan. I just name them, ha? Di si mandaman ka na si Numer, number 1. Doon ni Pastor Dasa. Ay nito si Boy Salinas, iyan. Si Ricky Campos, ining ka na to. Ay, taghumi ka din, mga buutan. Hasta ini si Kuan, si Prakasyo. Si Prakasyo Sansi, si Bagak, tawag namin Bagak, kay kami tawag namin kanaan. Grabe gyud ka Kuan si iya sa una, disiplina ka nami. O sayar, maglupad ang choke, aroy eraser. Eraser. Pero ako, buutan sa kuda ko, kaya tigam sa kuna kuwagin si mistake to, kaya hilom gid ako. Pero ang kanaan pagka-disciplinaryan, mas ma-expound namin sa kanami experience, gumikan sing ng mga classmate ko na mga buutan. But anyway, that's one point na kuha namin kang iapas. Ang kanaan pagtudlo na kanami na madayogin na teacher. Tapos ang ilaw yung black is black, white is white. So it helps us somehow to navigate as we go along our lives in different fields, different directions. Tapos, di sa ginako kalipatan si Baudil, kaya sa unang in English ginani sa Lianga, murag na ginuton sa gayod. Pero iyo Baudil, I have to mention this. Iyo Baudil told us na you learn even one new word every day. Sa 365 days mo yan, aroy kan mo 365 new words. Di ko kalipatan na yan. Ipalo ko yan, idugang ko ng duha. Para madayong in English ko. And iya and you about there are good educators. Di namin kalipatan na yan. Iya ka-influence kahit kamuya sa kanamo kinabuhi. Sa Bat 69, grabe gyud ang kanami pasalamatkan mo. And we really congratulate you. Happy birthday sa kanmo doon na ano. And di ko kalipatan sad na ang mga anak ni ining sa yagtubo ako nga ni sa Lianga, na I could not recall na magmam ako kay Iya Paz. I always call her Iya Paz. Iyo Baudil sa wag gid ako kasir. Pirmi lang Iyo Baudil. Through the years. And that's how close I am to the family of Iya Paz. I would like to congratulate the children. Kay wasay ko idunggan na badlungon na anak ni Iya Paz. Grabe gayon, madayo gini sila. And they have their own merits in their own lives. And I was touched again by the message of Mangi a while ago na amulagi yan kita sa younger generations na taghatag sa nila Iya Paz kanato na money is not all there is in life to be happy. What is important, you make a difference as you go along in your life. Amo sa ito sulti mo gayon na. Make a difference and reflect. Tapos, ang isa pa gayon, gawa sa medisina na i-maintain mo, o yung pag-exercise, importante ang attitude, ha? Yung pirmi ka malipayon, bisag ang kan mo, bali mo problema, katawa ka lang. Kaya sa akong pagka-utaw ko, pagkita kong Iya Paz, wag yung kita kasi di sige mugot. Pero smiling ka dyan, smiling. So it's the attitude also how you take care of the events in your life that will dictate also the pressure in your life. So amo ni siya, mulang tod gyud ng 100 years. Yeah, imbitahan kami for 105 years again. So in behalf of my classmates and the students of Lianga High School, kanami eskwelahan sa una Lianga National School of Fisheries. Kami ang primero na batch na ang kanami diploma amo yan. Pero wa kami mag-curriculum siyan. Kami ang sunod kanami ang curriculum na fishery da. From our batch and from the alumni of the school, happy birthday, Tia. May God bless you. It will always be in our prayers. Good day to you all.
Araw-araw ikaw ang gusto kong kasama. Buhay ko'y kumpleto na tuwing nandito ka sa tabi ko o aking giliw. Di pa din ako makapaniwala na ang dati kong pangarap ay katotohanan na. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon at basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat, para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta, basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Minuto naghihintay ng tawag mo, marinig lang boses mo, masaya't kontento na ako. Wala nang iba pang hahanapin, basta't ikaw ang aking kapiling. Lahat magagawa dahil kasama ka. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon at basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat, para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta, basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Pinagdarasal ko ng sobrang nasanay, tanggapin mo aking inaalay. Napasasalamat sa pag-iliwanag ng buhay kong ito'y na dati-dati di ganito na kay ligaya. Oh, tanggapin ang regalo, oh, mga rasa sa loko. Diliwanag din ang buhay mo pag nilabas ko na ang puso ko. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon sa bawat araw na harapin. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta, basta't nandito sa'yo'y tapat. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya.
Now I say something to you. This is my first time to see you, and I know I will not forget even how old and old I am. And I have to come back. Who will be the next to see, so that we can please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. And I hope I can come back at any time and you will still accept me who I am.